Let's learn native English. My name is Carrie. The channel is Learn Native English. I'm here to help you speak English naturally and confidently. This is part 2 of the comparatives and superlatives lesson. This is an elementary lesson from my website, learnnativeenglish.com. I'll put the link in the description. If you want to follow along on your own account, it is free to create an account and start exploring all of the resources. We're going to jump right in to superlatives. The best and the biggest. Superlatives. Superlatives are the highest degree of comparison when you are saying something is the most of its category. For short adjectives that have 1 or 2 syllables, the pattern is the plus the adjective plus est. For example, tall, the tallest. I am the tallest in my family. Cheap, the cheapest. That means the least expensive of all the options, the cheapest. Easy becomes the easiest, and you will notice that the Y becomes an IEST. Long adjectives, the pattern is the most plus the adjective. For example, expensive becomes the most expensive. Interesting. The most interesting. I just saw the most interesting bird on my way home. Interesting is long, so we don't add ist. It's not interestingest. Beautiful. The most beautiful. You do not say beautifulest. Always use the before superlatives. She is the tallest in the class. Same spelling rules as comparatives. So small adjectives, you double the consonant at the end. So big becomes the biggest with 2 G's. Nice becomes the nicest. We don't add another E. You drop the extra E. The nicest. And happy, like I said, becomes the happiest, and the Y at the end turns into an I. Y becomes IEST. Let's do some practices. The biggest. Tokyo is the biggest city I visited. The smallest. That's the smallest phone on the market. The cheapest. This is the cheapest option. And just a reminder, I invite you to repeat out loud. It's very important that you hear these pronunciations with your own mouth. You are practicing pronunciation out loud. The most beautiful. Remember, beautiful is 3 syllables. Beautiful. So we don't add ist. We just put the word the most. Most. It's the most beautiful park in the city. The most expensive. That's the most expensive car in the showroom. Here is a dialogue, what a real conversation sounds like using superlatives in English. What's the best restaurant around here? Luigi's is the most popular, but Mario's has the cheapest pasta. Which has the best food? Honestly, the smaller place around the corner is the tastiest. Oh, honestly, the smallest place, it is the most small. The smallest place around the corner is the tastiest. And if you're doing this practice on the website, you can click and listen to this dialogue. If you are doing this practice yourself on the website, you can click and listen to this dialogue.
What's the best restaurant around here?
Luigi's is the most popular, but Mario's has the cheapest pasta.
So just a review, for small adjectives, the plus adjective est. For long adjectives, 3 syllables or more, the most plus the adjective. We use superlatives when something is number 1, it's the most, in a group of 3 or more items. She is the tallest in her family. It's the most expensive hotel in town. Okay, this is a practice for comparative or superlative. So if you have not watched part 1, you may want to go back and review before doing this practice. You are choosing whether to use the comparative, you are comparing two things, or the superlative, you are comparing three or more things and saying which one is number one. If you need more time to answer the question, pause the video to choose your answer before I give the answer. I'm going to be going fairly quickly. Of all the students, she is the smartest. We're talking about a group of students, more than three, or at least three. So we're using superlative, the smartest. My brother is taller than me. We're comparing two people, so we're using comparative, ER, taller. This is the most expensive hotel in the city. This implies all of the hotels, of all the options, multiple options. This is the most expensive option. Coffee is better than tea for me. Better is an irregular comparative. We do not say gooder. You have to memorize that the comparative of good is better. The superlative of good is best. Good, better, best. What's the best movie you've seen? Here's the superlative. Of all the movie options, the best one is that one. The best movie of all the movies you've ever seen. We're using superlative to compare all the movies. January is the coldest month of the year. Of all of the months, January is the coldest. We are using superlative to say which one is number one. January is the most cold, the coldest. Fill in the superlative gaps. Choose the correct superlative. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. This is a short adjective, so we just add est with the highest. She's the best singer I've ever heard. Remember, the superlative for good is irregular. Good becomes better, becomes the best is superlative. That was the most difficult exam of the semester. Difficult is a long adjective. Difficult, 3 syllables. So we add the most plus adjective. The most difficult. What's the most popular restaurant in your city? Popular, again, is 3 syllables. So we just add the most popular. This is the coldest room in the house. Don't forget to add the, and since it's a short adjective, it becomes coldest, the coldest. Monday was the worst day of my week. Bad is also irregular. We do not say bad, badder, baddest. You have to memorize bad, worse, the worst. So when Monday was the worst of all the days, you use the superlative, the worst. Build the form. What is the comparative of big? If you're doing this practice yourself, you will type out the answer and try to get the correct spelling and the correct answer. If you're doing this practice on your own, you can write the answers down before I give you the answer to try to practice if you know the answer yourself. An elephant is bigger than a dog. Remember, big is a short adjective, so we double the G and add ER. She is happy today than yesterday. What is the comparative of happy? Well, happy is 2 syllables, so we know because it ends in a Y and it's 2 syllables, we will add And because it has a Y, the Y becomes an I. Happier. Change the Y to an I and add ER. Paris is, what's the superlative of beautiful? Beautiful is 3 syllables, so we're not going to say beautifuler, we're going to say the most beautiful. This pizza is than the other one. Remember, good is irregular. So it is not gooder than the other one. It is better than the other one. That was movie I have ever seen. What is the superlative of bad? Bad is also irregular. Remember, we have to add the when we're using superlative. It always starts with a the. This one is irregular. The worst movie. Bad, worse, the worst. We do not say the baddest. This book is thinner than that one. This is a short adjective. You double the N before ER. Thinner. I'm going to pause this lesson. If you want to continue, you can go to part 3. If this lesson was helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more free English practice. You can also access my full course at learnnativeenglish.com. I put the link in the description of the video. And I'll see you next time. Happy learning!